Tom, you have 2 shoes. Use both of them.
But this one is... the lace! The lace is broken!
You cannot tie your shoes. You are 6 years old, Tom.
I know how! I just... don't like doing it.
Wait. Tom. Look.
Is that a... wallet?
Yes.
On the ground?
Yes, Tom. On the ground.
Is there money? Is there money?
Tom, stop. I need to look.
But is there money? Zara, is there money?
Yes, there is money.
How much?
A lot.
How much is a lot? How much is a lot? $120. $120. We are rich. Zara, I have a plan.
I don't want your plan.
Tom? No. This is a good plan.
Are you listening? I am walking. That is all I am doing.
We keep the money, we buy things. Many things. Many good things. I want that one.
Tom, this is not our money.
But we found it.
Finding something does not make it yours.
What if nobody comes back for it?
His name is Henry Park.
He looks very old.
Tom, that is not important.
Maybe he forgot. Old people forget things.
We need to find him.
Find him? How? He could be anywhere.
It is a library card, Tom. Where do people go with library cards?
The library?
Yes, Tom, the library.
Are we close?
Tom, I am trying to read the map. There. Come on.
It is very big.
It is a library. Libraries are big.
Is it quiet inside?
Yes, so please, be quiet.
I am always quiet. There are so many books. Sorry.
Excuse me, I am sorry to bother you. Yes? Can I help you? I found a wallet. On the street. The name on the card says Henry Park. Do you know him? Mr. Park? Oh, yes. He comes here every Tuesday.
Is today Tuesday?
Yes. And he was just here, actually.
Just here? When did he leave?
Maybe 10 minutes ago. He always sits by the window near the door. He reads the newspaper every Tuesday.
He left the newspaper!
He forgot it. He left quickly today. Looked worried, actually. He was looking for this. That is why he was worried.
He must be very sad right now.
Do you have his address? His phone number? Anything? Sorry, I cannot give that to you, I am afraid. But he usually walks home past the park. The small one on Green Street. The small one on Green Street.
I don't see him. Do you see him?
No, wait, look.
Is that him? I think so.
Let me talk, okay? Don't say anything strange.
I never say anything strange. I will try.
Excuse me, are you Mr. Henry Park?
Yes. Yes, I am.
I think this is yours.
Oh. Where did you find this? Everything is here.
Yes, we didn't take anything.
The money. That is not important. But this photo. It is very old. I cannot replace it.
Who is she?
My wife. She is not here anymore. But I keep the photo everywhere I go.
She looks nice.
She was. She was very nice. How did you find me? I don't know you.
Your library card. We went to the library.
You went to the library? For me?
It was Zara's idea. I wanted to keep the money.
Ha! Honest boy!
I changed my mind after I heard about the photo.
That is called empathy, young man.
What is empathy?
When you feel what someone else feels, you understand their pain. You care. I want to give you something. Not for the money, for coming to find me.
You don't need to.
I want to, please. It makes an old man happy. Don't say no to a happy old man.
Thank you, Mr. Park.
No. Thank you, young lady.
Thank you also. I am Tom.
Hello, Tom. And hello, Zara. Those are good names.
Zara?
I am glad we didn't keep the money.
Yeah? Yeah. This feels better. Is that strange?
No, that's not strange at all.
Zara, if we find another wallet tomorrow... Tom! No. I will give it back. I promise. But can we at least look inside first, just to count?
Let's go home, Tom.
That's a yes, right?